Yeah, give me that dog. Ollie, come here. You want to open this box?
Wow.
Help me.
Good boy.
Blue, come help me open the box. Come here. Come here to open the box. Oh, the good boy. I love skateboarding. So, who's opening these boxes in advance? Ollie, help us out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's a box full of paper. What the heck?
Oh, that looks sick.
What we should do is skate it in the cardboard. Wait, why do they have cardboard here and then
I know, they should have just shipped it like this.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, that sounds nice.
I mean, this is what we did with the last one. We skated it in the box.
So that was the cheapest ramp on Amazon. This is the most expensive.
This is the most expensive ramp on Amazon?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. How much was it?
So this ramp was, it says currently unavailable. I can't even check the price anymore.
The ramp is so good, it's currently unavailable on Amazon. And we don't even know how much it costs.
Dang, we got lucky. We bought it before it sold out. Oh, it was $166.
$166. I don't even know if that's expensive or cheap or not, because I don't know what other ramps cost. How much was that other one?
The other one was 30 bucks.
Okay, the other one we got was $30. This one is $166. Let's see what these world's best professional skateboarders here can do on a ramp like this.
Oh, Mo. No,
yeah, there he is. Moog is the true ramp skater here.
What you got, Mo?
Ollie?
Oh.
Ollie.
It's actually kind of cool.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Body.
Sounds pretty solid.
Sounds solid. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. I think it's plastic. Plastic?
It's wood.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Directions on how to open
Hey, this might be nice to have around.
What is it, bamboo?
Jump over some things.
First there's cardboard, then there's plastic. They use a lot of resources for this, for the packaging.
Here we go. Bam!
Yeah.
Wow.
Dang.
Came with bubble gum.
Oh.
We had to assemble it. Okay. So then we put something on the bottom.
What does it smell like?
Smells like the woods.
Dude, that looks beautiful.
Look at that, it's solid.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
These guys are geniuses.
It's like a glove.
We are low-key. All right, I take back what I said. This wasn't no IKEA furniture. It was very easy to build.
You can skate it as a rail too.
How is it?
It's fun. I actually like the angle of the launch.
That thing launches you. Let's go! Oh! Well, hello, Mary Poppins.
Hello, Dan.
It's very satisfying.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's happening, Mo?
I don't like that. I don't like how it's not a regular kicker where it's just straight, just dips. I don't like that.
Oh, that was primo of a lifetime.
Now you don't
All of
gotta
a sudden I like it.
awesome.
It feels great. No, all right, for the front shove, I was actually just not doing it, but this actually is really cool. I like the ramp. I wasn't hating on it.
Fine, dude.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
You gotta watch out, Gabe.
I will watch out from now on. Chilling
All right,
today.
somebody teach me how to do that. That kind of hurt.
Looks very frustrating.
Oh,
Oh! Where'd that come from?
You gotta make everything into a manual pad.
Sounds like me trying to roll away last night.
it's been the death of me.
Oh my God. Jeez, Aaron. The power of the varial flip, right
The
here.
world's most expensive ramp is the world's most expensive varial.
How you feel?
That hurt. I feel good though. That just wasn't fun. Should probably push it back.
Knock, knock. Hello, Will.
Make a Weenie Hut Juniors.
I landed it!
What'd he say?
I said if you don't land this one right here, you shop at Weenie Hut Juniors. And he landed it.
I can't get the truck on there.
It's getting down now.
I was going too fast earlier. I'll land it right here, watch.
You landed right here or you shop at Super Weenie Hut Jr.? All right, Dan, next try.
Huh?
Next try.
Okay.
It's the one.
That better?
I love this board.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
That was, I don't even know.
That's my chase on my trick. Well, $160 and we can't get them to stop skating it. I think it's money well spent.
Yo!
And we're just trying to move it. We're not even trying to get them to stop.
That was so dramatic.
We need to go up the 3 block. Oh, Aussie diamond.
I don't like when that happens. I'm so sorry.
You know what that Australian man did?
Heel flip front board.
Heel flip rock the fakie. On the mini ramp. Oh no! Oh!
I didn't realize I was there.
Oh! Oh, you gotta watch out, dude.
Dude, that was the worst.
You bleeding?
No, somehow. This one's cut.
Up the 3, up the 5, up the 3 block.
Oh, it's impossible. I'm not doing it.
I got a good idea. Okay, you ready? Yes. It's good. No?
Oh my god. go, Will.
We're gonna go smallest to biggest. 3 stair, 5 stair, 3 block. Let's move it.
Oh my God. Is it heavy?
No, it's actually not too heavy. Oh, dude, I don't know. We got this.
All right, who's got the 5 stair first? Aaron?
Somebody's getting bodied on this.
Dude,
Wait.
you got this.
No knowledge?
No, I like it. It was just scary.
Okay.
Let's go, Aaron!
That is the deadliest catch. That was like Shark Week on fleek.
Oh my God! That was so funny. Yeah! Bodied.
Ollie up my first 5.
You got it, dude. Yeah!
We gotta let him do that. I mean,
Yep.
it's just wrong to do anything other.
Truck stop.
That was good, Mowgli. I'm tapping out on this one.
Oh, man.
Straight shot.
Yeah! Oh! Yeah, Mo. I don't blame you. Come on, go. Wow.
It hurts me from here. I'm standing far away.
Insane.
Strong ramp.
Back 180.
Don't. You know what else I was thinking? We could put it in front of the pyramid and just go over the whole thing.
True.
You think they could?
Yeah. That was crazy.
Oh, that's sketchy.
Launched over to the pyramid. Will's got that for sure. Holy.
This is beast mode.
Oh
Is that
my-
doable? You sure? We could end it.
Oh!
I feel like you got it.
20 bucks.
20 bucks.
Yo! What? connection. You got it right here.
And we're out! That was crazy. All right, well, that was amazingly fun. I think it was money well spent. It was so much fun skating the ramp. It was super solid. This is not a sponsored video for them in any way, shape, or form. And shout out to Will for that incredible. Thank you, Lee. Amazing. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.